Hello guys, today we've got a Peugeot 207 coming, midsection was leaking. We've identified the problem. Problem was the midsection box. That pipe over there had to wiggle it out with all the fiber particles in there. So advise the customer to change the midsection as well, because all of the particles and all of the filaments inside that midsection follow the way out of this box. As you can see, we got bits and bobs here. Right, so I'll post another video of the new one going in, guys. Okay, peace out.